Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My people, Pete Edochie don't wash his hand, wash his leg, wash his head. Come on for this matter. You see this life, eh? If you are not wise, try follow people when you wise. Try put eye for ground when you see the way people wey wise they do something, so that you too go wise. When this whole thing started, they let us know say Grandpapa Pete supported them. But as I dey talk to una now, Grandpapa Pete don wash hand, wash leg, wash him head, comot for this matter. This matter don go reach the elders of the Edochie. Grandpapa Pete is not the elder of the Edochie. Their elders dey for village, for Intenje. When this whole thing starts, after Ekwensu, the husband snatcher, the home wrecker, give Mama Rita letter from court. Mama Rita, that letter, they carry am go give the village elders. I always tell people, say, the last place you want your name to be is in your village people table. Avoid it. Every day your matter go there, 1 week from the person life is gone. Those are where your ancestral cause blessing all. They there. All the witches and wizards and the good and the bad, they are there. Why will you want your name to be on a table where they will be judging you in your own origin? These are the people that can take and buy and do anything to you. So why will you want your name to go to that table? Amobingo don't become their customer of village people. Una no see life. When he dey with me Edochie, they only go to the village for festival, for Christmas, for something, marriage, burial, all those things. Now make them they go village. But Amobingo name now every day now the elders they call him. Both good, bad, witches, wizard, devil, angels, all on top of Amobingo matter. After the sewing, the letter was sent to the elders. The elders see letter, they laugh. Now the elders they call Mama Rita. Mama Rita ogene kwano. I say see amo, na so in see o, they say me come pay 1 billion. Now the elders say, make Mama Rita relax. May she put her mind at rest. Say them the elders, the matter don't reach their table. These elders did not call Amobingo. E get where pikin go disrespect elder reach. You are not going to flog that child. That cane, you go use and flog the papa. You go flog the mother for not training that child properly. The elders called Grandpapa. Now they tell Grandpapa, say, let her don't reach their table. They say your son, the so-called strange woman, when he dey with them, he's suing their own daughter-in-law to the courts. How true is it? Now Grandpapa say, as the elders stay here, na so in stay here. Una dey see and say table, they turn around. He say, as the elders stay here, na so he himself stay here. Say na one of his son, na he come meet am. Come tell am say, Juju Ekwensu don dey kolo, say she don dey go gaga. Now he say wetin happen. Say Juju Ekwensu carry lawsuit give Mama Rita Edochie 1 billion naira. Now Grandpapa say come tell his son say Juju Ekwensu must be going Colometus. So according to grandpapa say he can't call Amobengo. Tell Amobengo say wetin dey happen. He say Amobengo say na so insia say na Juju Ekwensu and her family na them they do wetin dey their hand. Say he no get hand for inside. You see this old man defending his son. He's not only cutting himself off, he's also cutting off his son. That his son have nothing to do with this. That this whole thing is from Juju Ekwensu and her family. Say na Juju Ekwensu and her family na he planner, na he agree say it's time for them to sue Mama Rita. Grandpapa tell them say he no get hand, he no get leg for inside this matter. My people. Grandpapa tell them say he no know anything. The man deny. Wash his hand, wash his leg, wash his head. Come up for this matter. Say he no get hand for waiting they happen. Now the elders, now they tell grandpapa say, if Juju Ekwensu romance Mami Water, sue Mama Rita to the courts. Say wetin she go face, he go pass am. Now they tell, now the elders tell grandpapa say, if Juju Ekwensu sue Mama Rita to court, while answering the surname of their family, which she is not permitted to answer, they will strike her. They will strike her. If she want to sue Mama Rita, she better sue Mama Rita as a neutral person, as somebody that is not related to them, because them forbid their own person to sue their own person. If matter arise, they have family where they settle matter. Say they get family where they settle matter. So then them self when be the Edoche, they know they sue any of their person go court. But if Judy Austin is using the name Judy Austin Yul Edochie to sue Rita Edochie to the court, there is a consequences that will be for her. She better drop that name Edochie and use another name to sue Mama Rita, because it is an abomination for them to sue themselves. Now grandpapa say he don't know one, he don't know two. He don't know who send Juju Ekwensu may go sue Mama Rita. The elders tell grandpapa say this matter not be grandpapa Pete's own again, because the matter don't reach their table. And the people, when they summon for this matter, now grandpapa Amobengo with Juju Ekwensu. Now it be the people where they summon come this meeting. The reason why make them they summon Juju Ekwensu, which is not part of their family, is because one, grandpapa now it be the papa of Amobengo. Two, Amobengo carry their surname give Juju Ekwensu, which they are not aware of. They did not give that name to Juju Ekwensu because Mama Rita don't carry matter go tell them say Juju Ekwensu they bear Yul Edochie. They bear Edochie. That is a slap on their face. Before anybody can answer their surname, that person need to be married properly, and he need to go and do the things for you to be welcomed into the Edochie family. When I know say we don't explain that one, take how you need to be properly welcomed traditionally into the Edochie family. These are the things when they not do for Ekwensu desperate woman head. The Edochie family are dragging grandpapa now. Say, grandpapa, now your son, now he carry their surname. Give Juju Ekwensu. Now Juju Ekwensu name dey on top of the Edochie family. He did there. According to them, if she used the name Edochie to sue Mama Rita, there are consequences when she go face. There are things that will happen to her. It is a taboo for one of the Edochie to sue another of the Edochie. They have family, they have elders when they settle case. Their family, not be P-square family, when they settle for courts. Their own are here. No matter how the matter go up and down, na inside family na they settle am. That is how strong their family is. They quarrel, they fight, they do anything. Na inside family here, na they settle am. Na here be their court of justice. It is a taboo for somebody bearing the surname of the Edochie to sue another Edochie. Ekwensu they no marry am. She don't know what is happening inside family. She passed back here at the entire house. She say now she know the foundation of the house. Before you they enter people's house, put one leg for ground, put one leg for ground. No put two leg in the back. They never marry you. They've not accepted you. You don't begin to give people paper from court. No matter how Mama Rita offend you rich. The last thing you want to do, because you don't born for them, is carry Mama Rita to court. Those your children will pay for it. House where you don't born for, you don't enter trap. That is women. Once you born for that family, you don't enter trap. Because your children, they are not your own. Now the family get them. How their mama do, now so they do follow the children. Some children, once their papa and mama buy, none of the family members, they care about the children again. Talk less of the one where be say their mama na evil. They go even pursue them, banish them from the village. My people, grandpapa say no one, no to a beg. Make the elders remove in name. The elders say no. Your name no fit comot. Now your son, na carry woman come. Did you culture your son? Did you tell your son the rules and regulations in the family? Did you tell your alert? Did you give your son alert? Say, see waiting day, sub for inside this family. Your son have the audacity, without them, to carry son and give another woman. And also want to sue a forbidden thing in the family. Did you not tell them that it's an alo in the Edochie family? They say make Judy, they say make Ekwensu romance Mami Water, make it dear carry Mama Rita go court. Make Mama Rita stand for court. And make she dear use the name Edochie. They tell grandpapa say they will strike. Anything will happen. If grandpapa make pain, it go down. If Amubi go make pain, it go down. That is how strong the threat is. If any of them defend her when the elders they strike, they will go down. Do you know what that means? That means it's like somebody when they carry go swear for juju house when the person come by. Then after the person buy, people come say, oh, who buy her? What you wanna do? You know good. They'll begin to swear. Those people have eaten from the swear. Those people hand go touch them. Or you go carry their property. Hands go still touch those people. This is exactly what they are telling Grandpapa now. The day Mama Rita stand on that court on the 29th, and Juju Ekwensu decide to use the surname of the Edochie, they will strike her. Trouble they sleep, Yanga go wake up. Now you know no rules and regulation. Now you know what they happen for family. You they jump like monkey when you see banana for tree. They may Edochie they marry into this family. They know where they marry. May Edochie waiting her eyes don't see for that family. Have you ever seen her coming out to explain? Do you know what she goes through? Do you know the cause? Do you know what she has seen? Have you ever seen her going past her track? She's suffering maintain her track. Many people will say, don't pick his call, don't do this, don't do that. The woman know where she go put her leg. Now I make her when she run, she not look back. See Lincoln wife. Lincoln wife, not be the same thing. When that woman run, did she look back? Did she look back? When I hear the story of that woman, when I give una that day, those of una where they follow me every time. God bless all of una. When I hear the story when I give una that day, that woman go. Grandpapa say, come, let's talk. The woman don't go. She run. As she run, she not look back. Now them know waiting their eyes they see for that family. Then Juju Ekwe is from nowhere. She thinks say because say Amobingo day back. Grandpapa back and for back. She can do what she like. Grandpapa don't wash hand, wash leg, wash his head. He say, God forbid, I reject them. I don't know anything. I don't know anything. The heads bear me weakness. The land bear me weakness. He begin they call the universe to stand for him, to bear him witness. Say no, why no, two. Ukwano, now they see matter. This matter now only Juju Ekwe don't use the head carrier. You enter family, they never accept you. They never even tell you what they happen. You they jump. See Anna. They say they will strike her. Village people say they go strike. They go strike. Village people striking not be physical strike. Oh. Village people now they strike people with kidney problem, liver problem, cancer, stroke. If we dey talk and say we dey joke. Have you forgot when stroke dey reign for Nigeria? Everybody just sick. Stroke. Now waiting that they pour for her. Now they don't change and cancer. Una know they think. Waiting happen to stroke. Now why not they stroke people again? I bet people don't mature past stroke. Why be saying cancer? Now I call the whole people now. If not be cancer, na kidney, na liver, na heart. Una know they think. So these are kind of spiritual attack. Number one day, don't get it wrong. Always check yourself in the hospital. Number one day, but 80% of Nigeria, na spiritual attack. They say they will attack Juju Ekwe. They say they will strike her. Village people. Juju Ekwe don't buy markets. Only if this woman know what she put herself. She for just off quiet. The Edochie family, look at all their wives. They are quiet. Now they know where they enter go swear. Now they know where they enter see. Now they know the masquerade when they stand before them. Now they know the masquerade when they dance before them. All of the wives, their mouths ping. You they do over sabi. Ukwano, village people say, if you go to the court with the name Edochie, it's a forbidden thing for Edochie to sue Edochie. Even the Amobingo wey put you for us, no, they tell you what did happen for inside their family. If Papa don't wash hand, we hear from the beginning say the Papa say they don't talk to Mama Rita no yeah. If you want to do it. Nah, the man say no. Now wait till they say you talk whether na truth and lie, na lie, I don't know. But now, Grandpapa don't wash hand. You are on your own. That's why you have to be wise. Don't always dance with the crowd. Wash. Hear the crowd are dancing to before you dance with them. You are on your own now. Hope you tie your wrapper well. Hope you tie him. Grandpapa say no one, he no two. He say na Juju Ekwe and her family, na them plan together for this whole thing. Na them plan say enough is enough for Mr. Obasi and Mama Rita. Say them, he and his household, they don't know anything. My lovely fans, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. Thank you always for watching my video, and God bless you.